Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Snakes on my back but never on my team. Bitch, I chase a bag.
What's up, guys? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. My nails are already prepped, and today we are going to be doing some ombre nails with the Valentino colored acrylic powders. So the first one I'm using, well, the orange one you see here, I believe this is number 9 or 6. I'll leave everything in the description box. And then the tan one is number 110. So guys, listen, I'm not a pro. I'm just doing what I saw on, you know, from experience, like getting my nails done and looking on YouTube at videos, and basically I'm just doing as I seen. Like before I do anything, I always like to look at tutorials and make sure I master it. I didn't master it, but you know, I tried it. You know, at least I can say I tried it, and the next time will be better. Okay, so that's basically what I'm doing here. I've seen that a lot of the nail techs, they did the tips first, and then they went ahead and did the actual nail bed. So that's what I'm doing here. This acrylic is cool, it's great. It dries fast, so you kind of gotta work fast. And I was just a little nervous, but like to me, I believe the left hand came out great because my more dominant hand is the right hand. But I need you guys to do me a favor and go and smash that subscribe button. Go check out my other nail videos. This is my 3rd nail video of me doing my own nails myself using acrylic. And yeah, guys, listen, I say in order for you to get better, you have to do it. Just do it. Just try it. Okay? You don't have to get all this stuff immediately, but the good thing about Valentino products is that his products are very affordable. I believe the big jar right there was like $8 or maybe $11, and then the colored orange one was about like $6, and then I got another one I'll show in another video. But yeah, like his products are very affordable, so definitely try it. This monomer, the purple monomer, is from my local nail supply store, and this brush is also from there too. I definitely need new brushes. If you guys have any suggestions on the best nail brush, please let me know, because the brush is what matters. The brush counts, guys. Okay, so yes, as you guys can see, I'm building it up as much as I can, trying to make sure that it's perfect. And again, I've already prepped and primed my nails prior to, already shaped them. And a lot of people were saying I should work on my shaping and stuff like that, but I think it's perfect. I mean, it's not perfect, but I like the way they were shaped, so. But I'm gonna work more on shaping. But I wanted them super long, so I didn't even cut them. Like, I just shaped them. I didn't even cut them. So yeah, guys, you guys will see me doing this repetitively. Only on this hand. I only showed me doing this hand because the left hand was a struggle. Well, the right hand was a struggle. Okay guys, so I am using the color 110 now. It's a nice nude color, and basically it's going to just, you know, give me that nice peaches and cream look. Okay, so yes, this is the color 110 in the Valentino, and I'm just doing as I see, you know. I'm just going to like put it on my, apply it to my nail beds of all the nails, and basically try to blend it in as much as I can, as you guys can see here. So I know I'm not really doing it right, but I'm trying. Okay, so and I'm trying to clean it up as I go. So I'm not, you know, I'm not a pro, like I said, guys. This is legit my 3rd time doing my nails with acrylic, so I am a little proud. You know, at least I know the next time I will do better. So yes. Guys, this is the UV gel lamp that I got from Amazon. It was only $18.99. And I also got this Valentino no soak UV gel polish. And this polish is amazing, y'all. When I tell you it gives you like a glass-like finish, it's amazing. So I'm just putting that, applying that all on the nails. As you guys can see, I finished the other hand as well. And they're just so pretty. I love the color and everything. I will definitely try this again, and I freaking love it. Okay, I love the orange itself. I love the nude itself. But this UV gel is freaking amazing. Only $18.99. It is 44 watts, and this nail polish is dope. Like it's just amazing. I love UV gel. And yeah, guys, let me know if you like these nails. Let me know how you like them, you know. Like I said, I'll leave the playlist to my other nail videos in the description box. Go check them out and leave any suggestions. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. GlamNefercent signing out. Bye.